All right, let's talk 2026 and let's talk LinkedIn. LinkedIn is going to be seeing some major changes. 5 changes that I want to talk to you about today are the things that I want you to start concentrating on so you can grow your LinkedIn. LinkedIn is still going to be a platform that's going to be important for next year, so don't lose out on it. Number one is video. Yes, we've said it before, and LinkedIn did try it before, and it didn't actually go really well, but they know they need to get on it. So they have been working on some things behind the scenes. They even have some new things that are being rolled out just in the US in beta right now. So this is something that they're serious about. So you need to get serious about video as well. And yes, it's going to be like kind of TikTok-y. So if you don't like that, just know it's coming. Number two, the rise of the CEO creator. So we are seeing more and more CEOs speak on behalf of their companies. There's still some that are in hiding. Get out of hiding because you don't want to be in hiding. The CEO is going to be more important than ever as opposed to just the company pages. So people trust you, the person, more than they will trust the logo. So definitely show your face. Definitely start being on LinkedIn a little bit more as your personal CEO page versus your company page. Company pages are still important, so don't forget that as well. Number three, vertical videos go mainstream, and vertical in general is going to go mainstream, right? More and more people scroll on their phone, and a lot of people are still doing a lot of horizontals on LinkedIn, and you are going to want to start really thinking about verticals much more, not just in videos, but also in images, but something to think about. Number four, authenticity beats perfection. With AI, we're all going to be looking like robots and fake people. So you really need to make sure you're real and you're authentic and you stand for something. So having candid, imperfect, real posts are going to be more important than ever because you don't want to sound like a robot. You don't want to sound like everybody else. And people are not going to believe that you wrote it. There are things that I've written and people are like, it's AI. And I'm like, no, it's not. And I'm also doing more videos because of that. So I'm real, I'm candid. I'm sick right now and I'm still showing up because I want people to see that I'm real. If I was AI, I would look a little bit better. Number five, AI citations become a metric. So we all know generative engine optimization is something that is extremely important. I have a course on how to get cited by AI tools and like ChatGPT and Perplexity. AI tools are going to pull from LinkedIn more and more. So if you want to get cited, you want to make sure you're on LinkedIn. And the number one thing right now that we're seeing in citations is actually Reddit. I'm not really on Reddit. I do recommend it. A lot of people to be on Reddit, but LinkedIn is really high up there as well. So make sure that you're showing up on LinkedIn because it is going to help your AI game as well. So yeah, 2026 is going to separate the lurkers from the leaders. So you want to show up in video, you want to make sure it's vertical, you want to talk about learnings that you have, you want to teach, you really want to give more content that is more meaty than just little motivational posts. And that is something that we're thinking that LinkedIn is going to prioritize, that deep learning and that type of thing. So get out your camera and go ahead and show up. Happy almost 2026.